And then recall when Moses said to his people, "Behold, Allah commands you to slaughter a cow." They said, "Are you jesting with us?" Moses answered, "I seek refuge in Allah that I should behave in the manner of the ignorant." They said, "Pray to your Lord that he make clear to us what she is like." Moses answered, "He says she is a cow, neither old nor immature, but of an age in between the two. Do then what you have been commanded." They said, "Pray to your Lord that he make clear to us of what color she is." Moses answered, "He says she is a yellow cow with a bright color, which is pleasing to those who see." They said, "Pray to your Lord that he make clear to us what cow she is. Cows seem much alike to us, and if Allah wills, we shall be guided." Moses answered, "Lo, he says, she is a cow unyoked to plow the earth, or to water the tillage, one that has been kept secure with no blemish on her." Thereupon they cried out, "Now you have come forth with the information that will direct us aright." And they slaughtered her, although they scarcely seemed to do so.